One of the main things that will help you to make money online as an online entrepreneur is having a quality traffic. You can bear me witness, most of the platforms out there that promise to make you money simply want you to give them traffic. As a blogger, you need a traffic. As an affiliate marketer, you need a traffic. As a CPA marketer, you need traffic. Whatever you do online, you need traffic. And in this very video, I'm going to simply show you how you can start getting a lot of traffic. And in this video, we are focusing on the paid traffic. All right, so if you're ready, let's get into it right now. All right, I'm going to simply show you my best cheap paid traffic sources, all right, that can help you to generate traffic. On the first on our list, we have the Advertisement. Okay, this is one of the best paid traffic method that is going to work for you if you are an affiliate marketer, a blogger, a CPA marketer, and a content creator. Okay, so if you don't want to wait for SEO, if you have few dollars to spend, you can easily come over to Advertisement, then set up your campaign. The best thing about this platform is that you're not going to spend a lot of money for you to get traffic, okay, and they're giving you quality traffic and not both traffic. What you need to do is simply come over to this website, then click on this advertiser section, then you have to register as an advertiser. All right, so once you register as an advertiser, it will help you to set up your campaign where you have to simply get quality traffic, whatever you want to promote. Okay, then you have to make sure you target the audience you want to target, then optimize your campaign to get the right audience and get the right clicks and traffic. Okay, the best thing about this platform is that they're going to simply give you quality traffic, which means they're not sending out both to your link or to your website or to whatever thing you're promoting. Okay, they are giving you real genuine traffic. All right, and they support over 196 countries. All of this platform that I'm showing you, I'm also going to show you the full tutorial on how to set up their campaign and get the best result. Okay, so this is the part 1 of this very video, so you have to make sure you stick to the ending part of this video so that you get all the details about this video on this very part 1 series. Okay, so this is the first one. We have the second one, which is the LinkedIn. All right, so this is LinkedIn right here. You know about LinkedIn, and most people go there to search for jobs. Only few people know about the ad section of this very platform. Okay, and the best thing about this platform is that whatever ad you're setting up, whatever campaign you're setting up, is still going to reach to the best people. All right, and this particular website helps you to get quality traffic from the Tier 1 countries. Most people on the platform are basically people from the Tier 1 countries. All right, so you need to do simply come over to LinkedIn. You have to make sure you create your account before signing up as an advertiser. All right, so once you set up your account, you have to simply come over to this section. You have to simply come over to business.linkedin.com marketing solution/ad. Okay, then once you click on that, it's still going to take you to this very platform where you have to simply click on create advertisement. Okay, a lot of people will be seeing it on their news feed. Okay, so remember I told you that this is the part 1 of this very video, and I've already created the playlist, so you have to make sure you stick to the end part of this video. Subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss any part of this very playlist. Okay, so this very video is the part 1. I'm going to simply drop the next video, which is to run the main ad on all of these platforms. All right, so if you've not subscribed, you have to go ahead and subscribe to this channel and also join us on our Telegram channel. All right, and the next on our list, we have the Twitter ad, which is the X ad. Okay, you can easily advertise on Twitter and promote whatever you want to promote. If you want to promote direct link, all you need to do is simply set up a landing page for that direct link. Then you simply come over to this section right here, which is the Twitter X, then click on this create campaign. Once you create this campaign, once you click on this create campaign, you have to simply select whether you want to go for the simple or the advanced section. Okay, so whichever one you want to go for, you just have to make sure you click on the next button, then set up this campaign. This is going to be on the next video, so you have to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I upload that video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, you need to have a Twitter account, which is X account. Okay, so even if you don't have a lot of followers, you can easily advertise on X. All right, and the next on our list, we have Pinterest advertisement. Okay, so this is Pinterest ad. This Pinterest ad works best for advertisement that are already placed on your website. Okay, if you have a website that is monetized and you want to get traffic to that website, you can easily use Pinterest. Okay, for instance, if I have a website that I monetize, or if I have a website that is already monetized, a blog website, then I publish content there. Come over to Pinterest, create your account. Make sure you create a personal account first, then you need to convert that personal account to a business account. That is the only way you can easily see this Pinterest ad right here. Okay, remember, this is create campaign. Okay, if your account is still on personal mode, you're not going to see any of this right here. Okay, but if you have already converted it from personal to business, that is the only way you can easily see all of this. Okay, and this is the only way you can easily run advertisement on Pinterest. And the next on our list, which is one of the best I like so much, is Instagram ad. Okay, so this is Instagram ad. Remember, we have Facebook ad, we have Instagram ad. You can easily run Facebook ad at the same time with Instagram, but I will advise you to run paid advertisement on Instagram separately. And for you to do this, you have to set up a page for yourself, an Instagram page for yourself. Whether you have followers or not, you can easily use it and run advertisement. And you have to make sure that your account follows the terms and conditions of this very platform of Meta advertisement. Okay, so you need to just simply come over to this very platform right here. You have to simply click on this create advertisement. Okay, once you click on this is going to simply get you to a post that you've already made. Okay, if it is a video that you've already uploaded, you can easily use that. But if it is a post, you have to make sure that you write all the content of your advertisement, then publish it as normal post. Okay, so I'm going to simply do this in the next video. This is just the part 1 of this video. I'm also going to simply show you the tutorial aspect of all of these platforms one after the other, so that you won't miss any part. Okay, a lot of people are going to see your advertisement, whether they are from United States, depending on the one you're targeting. Then you monitor your metrics and your analytics. All right, so that's that for Instagram. And the one I like so much is Facebook advertisement. Okay, so I've already made a post on my Telegram where I told you guys I will be running some Facebook advertisement to my Astera account. It's gonna cost you money, but it's worth it. All right, but if you don't have any money to spend, you can forget about it. Then use the free method I've already provided in my previous videos, then get traffic to your product, to get traffic to your website. So this is Facebook advertisement, and all you need to do is simply create a Facebook account. Once you create that Facebook account, then you have to simply download Facebook Ad Manager on your mobile phone. Okay, with this I'm going to simply show you in the next segment of this very playlist. Okay, so you don't have to bother yourself. All you need to do is simply stay tuned on this very channel. Then I'm going to simply show you everything you need to know about all of these very platform and how to promote whatever you want to promote. Then click on this create an advertisement. Once you click on that, it's still going to take you to another page where you have to simply click on the main button. I will take you to the main page where you have to simply create your advertisement. Okay, and these are the platform that works best for me. So if you have any question on this, I would like you to drop it down in the comment section. Also join us on our Telegram channel from the link in the video description, so that you won't miss any of our updates. All right, so I'm gonna see you guys in that very video.